So I'm redoing my master bedroom and I grabbed this little shoe console. I know a lot of people use it like by the front door or in their closets, but I'm going to actually keep it out in my bedroom because it is so incredibly beautiful looking. I'm going to turn my camera around. First of all, just aesthetically, it's absolutely beautiful. It did not take me very long to put this together at all. And currently I have about 20 pairs of shoes in mine. I can definitely fit more, and you can actually adjust the shelf right here so that maybe if you have taller shoes, it'll fit in there too. Love the gold handles on this. And at the top here, I'll be able to decorate, but it does not stick out very far either. I think it's like around 9 inches or so. And then of course, I absolutely love the feet on here. These are like a black wrought iron, but the color is absolutely gorgeous. This is a fabricated wood, but it looks beautiful. I love this raffia here in the front, but it's just really good quality. I love how much it can hold. I love how it looks, how easy it was to put together. If you are looking at this one, do not hesitate. Really good quality, super simple, beautiful, and I definitely recommend.